Hi there. This is going to be a bit of a weird video because it's not a review, it's not an instructions, it's not a disassembly, it's not a repair video or anything else like that. It's just an information video that something like this exists. And if you're wondering what this is, it's basically a device that can help you, even on yourself, remove a blockage in your airway. So this can save your own life, or could save a family member or a random unknown person's life if you use this thing. Do not take this from me as wow, okay, let me buy it. Do your own research, read the reviews, read what others are saying about this, read stories of people that have used this thing. Do not buy counterfeit or clones or whatever of this thing because they break. And the one time in your life you might need something like this, hopefully never, but if you ever need something like this, it will break and you do not want that. So if you buy something like this, buy the original one. Read the instructions, learn how to use it. They sell various versions with bigger and smaller masks on it, even a training mask. If you ever end up using this, they will send you a replacement. They have I don't know, bags like this for vacation or for putting in your car. They have other supports that you can mount at home on your wall to have this, I don't know, in your kitchen, or who knows where you would want to have this closest. But honestly, this one is, for example, home kit. But I also bought this to keep it in the car. If somebody cannot perform the Heimlich maneuver properly, or it's just ineffective in a random situation, or something happens, you can try to use this thing and maybe it helps you. So this is just an information video that something like this actually exists. I had no clue, having two daughters in the house, wanting to eat all sorts of things and playing at the same times, although you tell them 101 times do not play while you are eating. But do not go into a false safety zone. I have this, I'm safe. No, do what you are doing up until now, and this is just another safety layer on top. Anyway, that's about it. Read online, make your own decision, but I just wanted to inform that something like this exists, and I just found it by chance and decided, yep, this needs to be bought and to have in our house, and one in the car, honestly, for long trips. And yeah, that's about it. And it also has a valve, so basically it will not be able to push any blockage deeper in the airway. The valve only pulls air when you are pulling it from this, so it will not do more harm. It's not possible, it can only do good. If you want, this is the website. They sell in the EU and probably worldwide. I'm quite sure about that, so yeah. Also, just want to mention at the end of this video, in case it's not 100% obvious, if you buy it, do not just throw it somewhere and I don't know, say okay, I'm safe now. Open it up, make sure you don't waste time to open it up in case you ever need it, again, hopefully not. Read the manual on how to use this. It's quite self-explanatory, but you still are better by reading the manual and knowing how to use this thing. Everything is sealed in here, so this is for children, this is for small adult. This is for babies, actually, I think. And this is mostly for children or small adults. And this one is a test mask. and the product itself, if I could actually get it out of the box. Again, this is not a review, this is just an informational video with something I found, and this is the large adult mask. So basically in this kit we have infant or baby or whatever, child, and adult, and a test one. And this is the device itself, which hopefully, and you can see the valve right there, and from this you pull. Yeah, and this thing gets basically stuck in here, obviously without bags, but I'm not going to unseal this. It's quite simple to rip this apart when needing, hopefully never again for the 100th time, but yeah. And a hefty manual in a lot of languages right here, with all sorts of pictures and information, and it seems that many professionals also swear by this thing, and they also train on how to use it basically. So that's quite nice. Some info and the sticker. Actually, if I understand correctly what's written in here, they give you a 50% off voucher in case you ever use this and send this feedback form. So keep this around. Glued this sticker on the inside. It has glue on the front of it. So now this thing is quite obvious what it is, and yeah, ready to go in the car or in the luggage during vacations. And just a warning, I'm thinking if you buy this and you want it in your car, do not leave it in there in hot summer days, because the plastic might become brittle over time. So yeah, keep that in mind, because cars get really freaking hot in the summer. And that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, consider this thing, but again, inform yourself all about it and make your own decision. I'm here just to say, hey, it seems something like this exists and might be a good idea, but it's your choice and your decision, obviously. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video. Bye.